How to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to add a Visa gift card to your Amazon account. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Amazon.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your name and a drop-down menu will appear. Tap on the account option you see there. You will then see the option for gift cards. Tap on that. Go ahead and now navigate to the Redeem a Card option and tap on that. You will further be asked to enter your gift card code. So, go ahead and enter your Visa gift card balance and tap on the Apply to Your Balance button, and with this, your Visa gift card balance will be added. So, this is how you can add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Lock and Chains for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.